What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to play Who's Laughing Now by Ava Max, which is just recently released. So for this song, it can be actually played without the capo, but just to match up with the song, and also on the other hand to avoid the bar chord shapes, I have put the capo on the 7th fret. Now you can just still go down to a pin comment below and you can just have a nice idea over there what the chords will be without the capo, and so you can just apply the string pattern which I'm showing you in this video on that chords. Now let's proceed further. We have the capo on the 7th fret, so make sure to put it on the 7th fret. Now things which I'm just going to show you in this video is this. This is basically one thing, another is the chords, and that's it. So just have a look at the structure of the song. We start off with the intro, then we have a verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Then another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus, then a bridge, and the last chorus. Now one great thing about the song is, except the bridge, we have the same thing going throughout the whole song no matter what the part is. So put the capo on the 7th fret. Once again I'm telling you guys, let's get started. The first chord basically is a A minor, which is mute, open, second, second, first, open. Now if you just lift off your ring finger, it will be a mute, open, second, open on the G string, first fret on the B string, and high string open. You can use this variation of the chord, which is basically a A minor 7. Next chord will be a E minor, which is again 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Again, if you just lift off your middle finger from the second fret of the D string, it will be a E minor 7. The next chord we have is a simple C, which is mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then a G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3, or you can even play 3, 2, open, 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 3. It's the same thing. And then we have a dominant chord over here, which is a E7, which is I'm playing 0, second fret on the A, open on the D, first fret on the G, open B, open high string. Now let me show you the chord strumming and all, and after that I'm just going to show you this main melody which we have at the beginning of the song goes for the intro. But on top of that, there's also backing track going on, which is the chords which I'm just going to show you right now. So let's get started. This is the intro, verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus all together out there. So the chord progression will be a A minor 7. You can even play a A minor, it's up to you. Then we have a E minor. Then we have a C. Then we have a G, and then we have an E7. But there's a difference, and I'm just going to break it down right now. So the strumming pattern will be, so it's a very short strumming pattern. What I'm doing is I'm picking the bass note, which is on the A minor 7 chord, it's on the A string. On the E minor, it's on the E string. For the G major, it's on the E string again, and for the E7 again on the E string, and for the C it's on the A string like the A minor. So what I did is I picked the bass note and then I did a down which strums the full chord, and then I just keep my hand on the string which is basically mute. So I do bass note, strum, mute. So but as soon as I do the down strum, you're just gonna mute that with your hand kept on the guitar. That's how it goes. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna apply this 4 times on each chord. So the chord progression will be a A minor 7. We're just gonna do that 4 times. On the E minor 4 times. Then on the C 4 times. Now I'm using my left hand, the hand with which I'm playing the chords, and on the other hand I'm also using my right hand. So I'm using both of my hands to mute with my fingers, which are actually free, not playing any frets over here. Like the pinky is free for the C major chord, E minor, these two are free. So that's how you can play the chords however you feel it easier that way. So A minor 4 times, E minor 4 times, C 4 times. And then on the G, you're just gonna play it 2 times. But for after the G, there we have the E7 chord. and you're just gonna play that again 2 times. So in other words, the G and the E7 are in one single bar, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so we got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's how it goes. So this E7, sometimes I've seen the song, it actually goes like this, which is basically 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Then third fret on the B string with your pinky, and again high E string open. So there are many ways to play a chord. So it's a E7 dominant, and also this is a E7 dominant. So if you want to make it more complicated, or in other words like the song, you can just do is, after playing the A minor 7 chord, like you did 4 strums on the A minor 7 chord, second time, but on the third time of each chord, doesn't matter, except the last G and the E7, for all the chords except the last E7 and the G, on the third time, instead of strumming that chord, you're just gonna move on to the G, a special chord we have over here. So this is a special chord for this song because we have it in the middle of the chords coming. So it's a G, you're just gonna do and come back to this chord like we do 4 times. So we got 1 A minor 7, 2 A minor 7, 3 we got the G, so this one is odd, and then again 4 it's A minor 7. Same goes for the E minor 7 tack, E minor 7 tack. Again comes the G in the middle, it's odd again. So in the third one and the fourth one back to E minor 7. Same for the C, 1, 2, C, 3 comes the odd, the G major, and 4 again. And for the G and the E7, you just go with the same thing. So we got now it's all up to you. If you find this bit hard, then you can just omit this, but I told you before, I always show you the accurate version of playing a song, and this is that one. So let's play that. I think it's pretty easy to play on the guitar. The strumming pattern is kind of very easy, that one same thing repeating throughout the whole song, so we don't need to worry about anything else. So let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That goes on throughout the whole song. Now we have the bridge where the strumming pattern stops but the chord remains the same. So same count, everything is exactly same, just we do 1 down on each chord, and you can now just play the full chord if you want, A minor full chord. So it will sound like this: 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, the C, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you move on to the chorus and you back, boom, back, boom, back, boom, back. That's how it goes. So let's play the bridge once more. We can even play. So that's everything you need for this song. Now let's have a look at this easy thing. Have a look at the tab. Basically this is the first part. One, two. So we play the everything is related to Capo on the 7th fret. We play the high E string open, first fret on the B string, second fret on the G string, then you play open B string, first fret on the B string, then we do a hammer on from open to first on the high E string, then you play the high E string open. So first part done. Next part will be third fret on the B string, open B string, again open B string, first fret on the B string, then play third fret on the B string again, then high E string open. So go. and back to third fret on the B string, and done. So we got. Now the thing is, whenever you're doing pick, or you're just picking, make sure that you do alternate picking, which is down, up, down, up, down. Don't go down, down, down. Make sure you are in the proper form of down, up, down, up. Doesn't matter even if you just change the string from an E to a D or from an E to a G. Doesn't matter, but make sure that you do down, up, down, up. So let's see how it sounds. Next time, you just gonna repeat the exact same thing. This mainly goes for the introduction. You repeat the exact same thing, but at the end, as you can see in the tab, we just play. Second part, we play third fret on the B string and then high E string open, and then rest for a bar 2, 3, 4, and then you move on to the verse, and you just go on through the whole song. So this is likely the chorus melody, which goes in the outro. So we got. And then we have. So that's pretty much everything. Now, as I told you, you can just go down to comment below and have a look at the chords without the capo, and it will be the exact same string pattern, exact same thing. So I think this will be -7. So B minor. Move on to, I think it will be it's a G. So it's kind of a bit complicated. Just give me a second. E minor, then it's a B. It's a E minor, then B-7. Then we have a C, which is basically played over here. So G, and then we have what is that? It's a G major, which you play over here. It's a D major, and you come back to over here. So yeah, done, guys. So it will be a E minor, then a B minor, then a G, then a D, and then a B7. And the special chord over here is the D. So which means and that's almost everything you need for this lesson. And if this helped you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. I'm working really hard. Music Friday tomorrow, so lots of new music coming. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.